Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Wink. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Wink, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Wink on a device and tap More Options. You can either choose to continue with Google, Snapchat, or your phone number. We will be using our phone number, so tap Login with Phone. On this page, select your dialing code and enter your phone number. Tap Next. A verification code will be sent to your device, so enter the code here. And tap Next. Now it is time to add your details. Select your date of birth and tap I am 25 years old. Confirm your age and tap Yes, that's correct. Enter your first name and tap Next. Similarly, select the country you live in and tap Next. Here, select your gender and tap Next. Also, add your profile picture. Tap the plus sign and select your picture. When done, tap Next. You can now add your Snapchat username. If you don't have Snapchat, you can also skip this step. Tap Next. Finally, choose who you want to meet. Also, their age range and country. When done, tap Next. And that's how you sign up for Wink. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.